Standard 1, Subject EVS. Hello students, I am Mrs. Lata Shinde. Today we will learn one interesting topic in EVS. Our topic is need for air. Children, as you all know, air is everywhere. So, let us see what and how the air is needful for us. Air. As you all know, air has no smell. It has no color. It has no taste. So children, as the air has no smell, no color, no taste, then you all will be thinking how we can get sometimes the smell, how we can see the black air, or how we can say, how you all can say that it has a taste also. You all must be thinking. So let's see what all the things are responsible for it. Air is around us everywhere. It is in the sky, on the roads, and in our rooms. Children, air is everywhere present around us. We cannot survive without air because it is very necessary among all the living things. It is present each and every place. You can see, children, here are some of the balloons which are without air. So you all can see how does they look because they doesn't have the air. Okay. Picture. See these all balloons. You blow balloons. Party times, your birthdays, or many occasions. Yes or no? Small children also play with the balloons. So when we blow the balloon, we feel the air inside it. And sometime when you put a pin or some sharp object to the balloon, it bursts and the sound comes. Yes or no? So inside in the balloons there is air. Okay. So because of that air, the sound comes. So you can feel the air inside in the balloon. See here. See here, you all can see this all black smoke. From where does it come? It comes from the factories. Many big factories are having the machineries, or there are some of the things, the chemicals are used, and this is the reaction of the chemicals which exhaust or which comes out with the air, and it gives the color to the air, the black smoke, the color of black smoke. You all can see this air doesn't have the color, but because of this polluted chemicals, the air gets color. Okay, so these all color is because of the factories, smoke from the factories, the black smoke. Okay. Now children, as we all know that air do not have smell, but sometimes you will wonder that you are getting some fragrance, nice smell of the perfume, powders, yes or no? So why it is? It is because of that chemicals inside in that perfume or sprays. It is not the color of the or the smell of the air. It is only because of all that things. Our air gets the smell. Even when your mummy cooks some sweet dish or some dishes, you get the smell and you said, ah, mama, so tempting, so tasty. You have cooked something special. Yes, because the air, all whatever things are around, it gets absorbed in the air, and that way it imparts the smell of that things. Basically, air do not have its own smell. It gets mixed with some of the things as I mentioned. So, air do not have smell. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Now, children, this is very important. You all will imagine. Now, I gave you previously example of the balloon. You have seen the balloons are not having air. But when I say when we blow the balloon and we put the pin, then it bursts and the air comes out. The noise comes out. Yes or no? So you will say, teacher, how you can say that we cannot see the air. We can see the air inside in the balloon. No, we cannot see air. We can feel the air. Sometimes when you're walking on the street or when you're walking on the road, some cool breeze passes away. Or take example of your home. When you're sitting under the fan, your hair start, yes, your hair starts waving with the wind of the air. Yes or no? The fans, because of the fans moving of the fan, you get the air and you feel so relaxed and cool. Yes or no? So we cannot see, but we can feel the air. In the winter season especially, we all wear sweater, muffler, everything. Why it is? Because you cannot see, the air is cold, but you can feel your hairs, your all the skin start, yes, it starts shivering because of the cold in the winter season. So this is called the feeling of the air or touching. Yes or no? Sensation. So we cannot see air, but we can feel it. Now see here the example, exactly what I explained or what I said. When a fan works, we can feel air, but we cannot see air. See this child, how he is enjoying the air. Yes or no? Need for air. Why we have the need for air? Why human beings, all animals want air? We cannot live without air. Children, imagine you are in the dark room and you are not having a source of air, no fan, no electricity, no AC, nothing is there. And you can live in that such a room? No, because we want air, we want to survive, we want to take breath. Yes or no? We are taking oxygen and we are leaving carbon dioxide out. So all this process we get from the air only, we get the oxygen. Yes or no? So if there is no air, we cannot live, we will be die. Okay, so there is very important that we should have air. For example, if Raj closes his mouth and nose, he cut out air. Soon he will be faint and his body does not get air. Children, do not try this experiment, but it is just very important thing. As if you close your nose and mouth, you cut the air. You don't get any air. So you will feel suffocated and you will be feeling faint, as well as if you are not getting longer time the air, oxygen, or you will get die also. So this is very important that we should have. Air is cool in the morning and in the evening and hot at noon. Now children, as you all have seen, observe that in the morning so many people they go for morning walk. Why they go for morning walk, children? Do you think any time? Because air is cool, atmosphere is very cool in the morning. The humidity is very less. The temperature is very low, so we are not feeling that much of hot at how we feel the hot at afternoon time when there is lot of, yes, sunlight, because afternoon at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, we feel very hot. And in the evening and morning, we feel cool. So many people in the morning also and evening also, they go for walk because they feel that they get a fresh air at that time. Now children, let us see your homework. Answer the following. First one, where do we find clean, pure air? The answer is clean air is found in open spaces like fields, garden and park. Second one, what makes air impure or dirty? Answer, dust and smoke. Activity, fill in the blanks. First one, air is dash everywhere. Second, we cannot live without dash air. Third one, we cannot see air but we can feel it. Fourth one, air is life. Fifth one, air is cool in the morning. Match the columns. A column, B column. Air has. Second, dust and smoke. Third, air is hot. B column. At the afternoon, no color, impure. The answers are air has no color. Second, dust and smoke, impure air. Third one, air is hot in the afternoon. Thank you children. I hope so you all have understood the lesson.